Why does he dance?
Because he saw you.
Yeah?
A female, right? Now if you go near him, he's going to dance.
Okay, I'll dance with you.
He will dance for you. Just wait. Call him Victor.
Hi, Victor.
Victor! Hey, Victor!
Hi, Victor.
Come here.
I guess to fight off the other bales.
Yeah. Victor, come on here. He'll come.
Who's this one?
No, that's Randy.
Randy?
Yeah, that is the one who ran away is Randy. You want to go inside?
What animal is he? He's not an ostrich, right?
This is emu.
Oh, he's an emu.
Those guys are emu.
Hello. I'm very curious. You probably won't bite me.
Okay, now let me take you here
Okay.
to meet the llamas, right?
Oh my god, I want to pet a llama. Llamas.
Come on in.
Okay. Hi.
They'll come near you. Just wait. These are the goats. Poor goats.
They seem distracted.
They,
They just get
okay, this
fed.
is the water buffalo. His name is Joe.
Hi, Joe.
Hey Joe, how are you? Say hello to her.
Hi, Joe. That's pretty chill.
Yeah, he's cool.
Oh, hey.
Just touch him. Just touch him on his face. Yeah, yeah, just like that. Yeah, on his head like this.
Okay.
Hey Joe, yeah, just like that.
Oh my god. Hi, Joe.
Yeah.
You're so cute. Hello. You feel like a broom. Kind of. Anyway.
You want to go inside and pet him?
Yeah.
Okay, come on. Let me take you there.
Oh my god, he's licking my hand.
He's cool.
Okay. I hope that's actually filming. I don't use the video mode in that very often.
But you know, listen, whatever you want to add it, add it your way. Cut,
Okay.
right?
I'm gonna take a couple stills because I know.
Oh yeah, perfect.
I got your turkey.
Hey Joe, hold this for a second. I open
Yeah.
it. Joe,
You're the friendliest water buffalo.
come here. She wants to say hello to you.
Hey, Joe. What up?
Joe, come here. Sonny. She wants to say hello.
Hello.
Let her smile.
Hi,
She's
Joe.
cool. She wants to be your friend.
Oh my god, you're so cute. Hi, Joe. You have super long
Okay,
lashes.
now if you give me that, I will
Yeah.
take some pictures for you.
Okay. Yeah, if you want to switch it off video, just hit that button again. I know. You're so cute.